In this video, you will learn exactly how to use ChatGPT and why you should use it. This is the most powerful AI tool and everybody should use it. Right now, there was a news that Google would hire ChatGPT and give it a big salary because it can do so many things. There are also a lot of fears that in many sectors, people will be laid off because they don't know how to use these AI tools. This is something I have been saying for the last 7 years, that AI will totally disrupt working life. Let's now see how to use this tool. Simply go to this URL you can see, then you click on sign up. Next, you have to write your email address, select I'm not a robot and click continue. And then you have to verify, I think, your email address and maybe your phone number as well. Once you come to ChatGPT, this is what you see. I will start by asking questions. ChatGPT can do many things. We start by asking a simple question so you can learn how this works. Now we have our answer here. What we can do is we can make it better. You can ask, hey, make that more extensive, or explain me better this point number 1. And in this example, we go to other category, and this is text creation. The great thing about ChatGPT is it can create a lot of text. It can create articles, books, reports, Instagram text, whatever you want. And therefore, there's a big opportunity, like I mentioned, to teach companies how to use it. Now I say create a 200-word article on business model Canva, and it will start writing. You can also stop generating if you want to stop the text. In this case, I will, because I don't want it to do it until the end. And again, you can ask it, hey, write that same text, but in a more conversational manner if you will be sending, for example, email, or make it more professional or whatever. So the great thing about ChatGPT is that you can refine and modify the result by asking it to do more. Now I will ask if it can create an Instagram post about business model canvas and also give me some emojis. A lot of people who are using Instagram are excited about this feature, and you should always use it yourself. Remember, you can copy and paste these and you can make them better, you can modify them, and so on and so forth. So this is a great example on how AI can do your work. So right now, remember to subscribe, because I will be posting a lot of new tutorials about the new features of ChatGPT. And like I mentioned, there's a big opportunity if you start teaching other business people, other companies about how to use it. So I've been talking about how to be an AI consultant for many years, but until now it was not possible because we would always have to use the data that the company had. Now we have something called generative AI, a lot of impressive tools, and we can start using it. Plus, right now, Bing has already included it in the search results, and Google is also launching their own competitor. So there will be a lot of tools that you can use and you can teach others. These simple prompts are in the description of this video. Also, leave a comment and tell me what you want to learn about ChatGPT.